Hello, my name is Tristan Johansson, and this is my research discussion for Vector Graphics. Today, I will be sharing my research over the three artists I selected: Jonny Wan, Sam Werczler, and Matthew Skiff. While all of these artists are popular and well-respected, they each have very different styles. Jonny Wan is a freelance illustrator and has a distinctive style. His scenes are filled to the brim with simple shapes that have bold colors, interesting patterns, and intricate textures. He graduated from Manchester School of Art in 2008 and has many high-end clients that include Nike, Apple, and Ford, just to name a few. Sam Werczler was born in Sao Paulo, Brazil. After 5 years working on comics, he graduated in fine arts, advertising, and marketing. And his art ranges from a lava lamp-esque combination of surreal colors to cute comics. Some familiar names he's worked with include Coca-Cola, Ford Motors, Nestle, Red Bull, Intel, and others still. He has worked in movies and short films as a designer and also created concept art for motion graphics. Matthew Skiff, known as one of the most respected artists in the t-shirt game. Skiff is from Colorado, wanted to grow up to be a comic artist. Comics and cartoons drove the direction of his art. His works often depicting old-school 80s rad-style art, with skulls, blood, slime, and lightning making a frequent occurrence in his art. I found this to be an interesting project that showed me different graphic designers. Some of their work I'm already familiar with. This was a helpful experience.